In the face of escalating climate change, the urgency to take decisive action has never been greater. If we fail to curb irreversible climate change within the next 5 years, the ramifications within just a quarter century could be catastrophic. Rising global temperatures will continue to wreak havoc on our planet's delicate balance, leading to a cascade of devastating consequences. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, floods, and heat waves, will become more frequent and severe, wreaking havoc on communities and infrastructure worldwide. The resultant destruction will not only cause loss of life, but also leave a trail of economic devastation in its wake. One of the most alarming outcomes of unchecked climate change is the inexorable rise in sea levels. Coastal regions will bear the brunt of this phenomenon, with millions of people facing displacement from their homes. Infrastructure in these vulnerable areas will be severely compromised, exacerbating the already dire humanitarian crisis. The impact on agriculture will be profound, as changing climatic conditions disrupt traditional growing seasons and exacerbate water scarcity. Crop yields will plummet, leading to food shortages and heightened food insecurity for millions of people worldwide. This, in turn, will trigger a domino effect on global supply chains, further exacerbating the crisis. Biodiversity loss will accelerate as ecosystems struggle to adapt to rapidly changing environmental conditions. Habitats will degrade, and species will face increased pressure from habitat loss, pollution, and invasive species. The delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems will be irreparably disrupted, leading to a loss of essential ecosystem services upon which humanity depends. The socio-economic implications of irreversible climate change are equally dire. Increased poverty, inequality, and migration will become defining features of our global landscape. Already marginalized communities will bear the brunt of these impacts, amplifying existing social injustices and exacerbating tensions. However, amidst the bleak outlook, there remains a glimmer of hope. The window of opportunity to avert this impending crisis is still open, albeit narrowing rapidly. By taking immediate and concerted action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, transition to renewable energy sources, and implement sustainable land management practices, we can still mitigate the worst effects of climate change. The time for action is now. We must heed the warnings of scientists and experts and mobilize at all levels of society to tackle this existential threat head-on. The fate of our planet and future generations hangs in the balance, and the choices we make today will shape the world we leave behind. Let us rise to the challenge and safeguard the only home we have,